In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a box plot on Google Sheets. A box plot is a fantastic tool to visualize the spread and distribution of your data, and creating one on Google Sheets is quite straightforward. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open a Google Sheet where you have your data ready. Ensure your data is appropriately listed in a column because the subsequent steps rely heavily on having this structure in place. With your data set up in column B, let's move on to preparing the summary statistics necessary for a box plot. Start by clicking on cell D3. This will be our starting point for calculating key statistics. In the cell next to it, cell E3, type the formula XMIN B3 B16. This formula calculates the minimum value within the range, which helps in identifying the smallest data point in your dataset. After you've typed this formula, just hit the Enter key to see the result. Following this, we'll move to another critical part of the box plot, the quartiles. In cell F3, input the formula eQuartile B3 B16 or 1. This calculates the first quartile, which essentially marks 25% of the data distribution. Once you have entered this, press the Enter key again to lock in your result. Next, proceed to cell G3 and enter X quartile B3 B16, 3. This formula gives you the third quartile, delineating the 75th percentile of your data. As with the previous formulas, pressing Enter will display your result promptly. Now, let's identify the maximum value in your dataset. Click on cell H3 and type XRmax B3 B16. This formula captures the largest value in your subset of data, a crucial component for completing your box plot. Hit Enter to finalize this entry. So far, you've computed essential elements such as the minimum, first quartile, third quartile, and maximum. The next step involves highlighting these cells from D3 to H3 to use them for chart creation. With this range selected, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheet and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Chart. Upon selection, a chart will automatically generate on your sheet. Initially, the chart may not appear as a box plot. To correct this, adjust the chart settings to switch to a box plot type if needed. It's essential to accurately name your chart to reflect the data it represents, ensuring clarity for anyone viewing it. Finally, there might be a default description under the chart labeled Variable Name. If so, you can select this description and simply remove it for a cleaner presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully created a box plot using Google Sheets. With these steps, you can now visualize your data more effectively and make informed decisions based on your analysis. Thanks for following along, and happy charting!